Hey, art enthusiasts! So, I've been dealing with a bit of an artist's block lately, especially when moving from one finished piece to a blank page. It's like this mental wall that makes starting a new drawing a bit daunting. To tackle this, I've been filling up my sketchbook with all sorts of stuff. In this video, I want to share some cool ideas that helped me enjoy drawing again. Let's kick things off with the concept of drawing inspiration from your surroundings. This could be as simple as observing the crumpled texture of a paper or capturing the unique angles of your pet. As an example, I recently drew a knot in a rope, and the play of light on its surface brought out captivating detail. Whether you're facing a creative block or just want fun sketchbook ideas, stick around. However, transitioning from a completed piece to facing the starkness of a blank page triggers a psychological hurdle. A kind of creative paralysis that makes starting a new drawing a daunting task. To combat this, I've adopted a strategy. I've turned to my trusty sketchbook and started filling it with an eclectic mix of drawings. Whether you're grappling with a similar hurdle or just seeking fun and innovative sketchbook ideas, you're in for a treat. Creating a drawing, even a small one, is a skill worth mastering. It serves as a warm-up for larger projects, instilling the discipline of seeing a creative endeavor through to its conclusion. Now, let's delve into the realm of your favorite cartoon characters. The beauty lies in experimentation, altering the mood of a character, playing with proportions, or even transforming a 2D character into a dynamic 3D rendition. Drawing from life or photographs, though initially challenging, is an invaluable technique for honing your drawing skills. This particular drawing exercise is a personal favorite of mine. It's all about letting your imagination run wild by blending 2 or 3 different animals to create a completely new species. In one of my creations, I fused octopus tentacles with an elephant head. Delightful concoction that not only sparks creativity but also provides a mental reset as I venture into a fantastical world of my own making. Consider these drawing exercises as your brain's very own research and development department. It's the space where you can let loose, go a little crazy, and test every wild idea that pops into your head. It's like having a lab to experiment with new concepts. Many of my illustrations have their roots in this process, where the boundaries of reality are pushed and the imagination takes center stage. Feel free to explore combinations of everyday objects with animals, like a pineapple with ostrich features or attaching symbolic images such as a speaker with duck elements. Let's draw 3 toothbrushes from different angles, giving them a finish that resembles a giraffe's neck. It's all about finding inspiration in unexpected pairings and letting your creativity flourish. Remember, this is your creative laboratory, a place to experiment, play, and discover new ideas. Who knows, your next masterpiece might be just a blend of imagination away. Doodling is a universal art form found in the pages of everyone's notebooks. It often begins as simple, random shapes and patterns, evolving into drawings that I enjoy flipping through in my sketchbook. The beauty of doodling lies in its spontaneity, and there's no pressure to complete it in one sitting. Personally, I have several unfinished doodle pages that serve as quick warm-ups. I stop whenever I'm ready to move on. Zero commitment, just pure creative exploration. There are countless ways to approach doodling, and here, I'll share my process. I created a non-suspicious mushroom forest on a silent road, complete with a secret mushroom house. The scene includes a mushroom signal sofa, a scattering of stones around the entrance, and an assortment of unique plants. The beauty of doodling is that you can add whatever you want, letting your imagination run wild. In essence, doodling is a therapeutic and imaginative exercise. There are no rules, just the freedom to create and explore your artistic whims in a world of your own making. To add a touch of whimsy, I introduced a character, an eccentric, chubby figure with small wheels instead of feet and a sizable tail adorned with sharp nails. Far left stands a broken street lamp casting a dark light. In the center, a pathway presents viewers with yes and no signs, inviting them to decide which way to go. And here's a bold suggestion: don't shy away from copying other artists' work. It's not about imitation but about discovering new ideas and eventually finding your unique artistic voice. Absolutely. Exploring the world of three-dimensional drawing may seem complex at first, but I took a unique approach. I began by imitating the work of other artists. Through this immersive experience, I uncovered the secrets of creating depth in art and, in turn, developed my own three-dimensional style. When faced with artistic blocks, I learned that instead of completely avoiding drawing, experimenting with different styles can be both enjoyable and effective. This experimentation became a journey to rediscover the joy of drawing. It's a gradual process, allowing the fun to return and embracing a variety of artistic styles. I'm excited for you to embark on these creative adventures. Absolutely. Crafting an engaging ending to encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe is crucial for building a strong community.